Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert PDF read-only files into Word editable document. There are multiple solutions available on internet, but I am sharing with you a proven solution which I am personally using. Here I have a sample resume file which I downloaded from internet. It looks a good template having name, picture, contacts, different sections, profile, career, work, education, and many more. Now I want to make changes to make my own resume, but it is read only. Let's solve this issue. It will work on a desktop version of Microsoft Word, which must be 2013 version or later. Right now, Office Online versions does not have ability to open PDF files editable. I'm using Microsoft Word latest version, that is Microsoft 365. Just open the app, click at open. It is saying Microsoft is converting PDF file into editable Word document. It might not looks like original PDF. Click OK. Now you can make changes easily and after completion you can save it in PDF as well. See, this is new document, the edited one. When you convert a PDF file into Word, sometimes results are almost same as original and sometimes vary from original. It depends upon how the PDF was created. Usually, the text data converted almost perfectly. For example, if a PDF was created by saving as from an electronic document, it will be converted almost perfectly. But if the PDF was created from scanned pictures, it might have differences depend upon different factors like the scan quality, etc. Generally, graphics does not convert it properly. That's all for now. I'm sure this video is easily understandable, but if you have any query, please feel free to write in comments. If this video is beneficial for you, please hit like button and please subscribe my channel if not yet. Thank you.